Afternoon, sports fans. Mike Skudnick with the Bartos Group of Premier Plus Realty, coming to you from the beach on Marco Island. This is the most beautiful beach in the whole world. So, talking to a lot of clients who are nervous that we're in a bubble. We've talked about this before. I'm explaining there's no bubble problem, there's an inventory problem. 12 months ago, Marco MLS, between houses, lots, and condos, 1,200 properties on the Marco MLS. Today, less than 200. To make it worse, rates are at all-time lows. 10-year note, 1.3. I just got quoted a 30-year jumbo, 2.85. If you're interested, we have in the Bartos Group our elite portfolio of properties. These are off-market properties. We've got about 50 of them. That's the equivalent of over 25% of the entire MLS. We have that in our pocket. So if you're interested in buying, selling, investing, building, renting, whether it's commercial or residential, give me a call. Mike Skudnick with the Bartos Group of Premier Plus Realty, 219-406-6482. 219-406-6482. Mike Skudnick with the Bartos Group of Premier Plus Realty. Have a great Sunday.